Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another video. And this time what I'm showing you is something I bought recently on eBay. As you can see, it's a Commodore 64 computer, and it does work. And this is actually the late 80s, early 90s version. You can see by the different coloured keys on there. So if I just switch the TV on and I'll show you it working. Right. Whoops.
After refusing to join the national team for the 1970 tournament.
Sorry about that. There it is. The actual startup screen. You can see it on a widescreen television. I would like to apologise about the mess. What it is, my sister's been shifting stuff about. She's moving into her own place now. Let's not talk about that now. Let's talk about this. Now, the program I got on here, I'd like to show you working. It's about colours, so let's press record. And you can see it is loading. It's a program I found in a book that came with the Commodore 64. Here we are. It's called Colors, and you'll see why. Here you can see the colours are changing in the border. Once it goes through sequence, the actual type-in screen changes colour. Right, let's get in position. What it is, I'm using, of course, a PS Vita to film this. Now, if you like this video, click on the like icon, and if you want to see other clips I've put up, including car wash clips and stuff, just subscribe to my channel. Right. Yeah. Let's just hope some of you are not gonna put a dislike on this video. As you can see now, the letters have blanked out because it's the same colours as the letters used on the main screen. Here we go, the final bit. And that's it. Here's where I got the program from. This is the book that came with the Commodore 64. But I've also only had a few games with it, but I have got some more coming, which I've won on eBay. First one, the cartridge of Terminator 2, as you know, the classic 1991 film, the video game of that, and it is a difficult game to play. Plus I got a couple of cassettes from an old magazine that used to be about called Commodore Format. How many of you remember that? This features some programs and a selection of games and demos. Same on this tape. There's some demos and games. And, of course, there's the data set that came with it. But inside the tape is a VIC-20 cassette, which unfortunately doesn't work on there. I did try loading it, but it kept saying out of memory error. But never mind. Right, well that's it for now. As I said, don't forget to like this if you liked what you saw. And also, if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. Right, thank you for watching.